guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how you can remove your blackhead from your face using egg. Just only egg. Just only egg. Guys, this thing works. I've tried it because if I've not tried it, I will not be able to share with you, and it works. Guys, if you look down, you will see my nose, like all this place you will see. So I'm about to do this with you, share with you all how I do mine. So guys, just watch. In here we have our egg. This is our egg. I will be using one egg to achieve this, and my tissue. So just watch this tutorial how this thing is going to work. Easy DIY you can do at home. You don't have to order, like go and buy this just to remove hair from your face. This is easy DIY you can do at home on your comfort zone. So let's dive into this. Is our egg. You just need only the egg shell, like the white one. You don't need the yolk for this DIY. And you need your clean brush. You need clean brush to do this DIY. Yes, okay. So first of all, we'll be rubbing it here on my face. Just only, not on your hair area, just your face, like your face. You can also put it under your eyes. Your nose, and the area that you know you want to apply it, you can put it. I did this one off camera. Egg dries so fast. Like, do you see my face? My face is dried already, so I just need to apply the egg again. So let me show you how this thing looks. And you will be needing your tissue. Like I said before, you'll be needing your tissue. Like this one, this is one tissue. I open the tissue into two. Like this is one tissue like this, then I open it. You know, you can open tissue. So this is how it looks after opening the tissue. And I will be very, very quick so that it don't dry. Let me not take it too close to my face. You need to be very, very fast because the egg dries so fast, so fast. And this place and this place. So guys, I will be right back. I quickly want to apply the tissue on this place. The amazing part of this hack is that you're able to see the blackhead from when you peel this thing off. When you peel it off, you see all the blackhead on the tissue. So if you have tried this before, do let me know in the comment section. You could just go out to put it in all this area. Make sure the egg enter all this place and all that. But if you use the charcoal on, like black face mask to do it, you'll be able to see the white blackhead on the tissue or whatsoever you use. You're able to see it very, very well. But with the white, you'll not be able to see the dark head on this thing very, very, very well. So I'll be applying it here as well. So just put it in the area you know you have the blackhead, okay? Only the area you know you have it. Like me, I have it all over my face, and most especially my cheek and my nose, center of my nose. So guys, at this point my face is very pretty much dry. Like this is dry so fast. So this thing is pretty much dry. As you can see, it's going off. It's going off on its own. Like it's going off already. You see? I don't know if you guys can see this blackhead bar on this, the white one. So guys, I don't know if you guys can see this thing very well. It's pretty much to show like the white head on the tissue paper. Guys, did you see? I don't know if you can see that very well. Like, I don't know if my camera is doing justice to it, and that is it. So guys, you see, I must say the charcoal one is the best. Like if you want to do it, try to use the charcoal one, so it remove all the white head on your face. It's going to remove every. Now I'm going to do my skincare routine, and I'm going to take all this off and all that. So I'm going to wash it out, wash the remaining gel on my skin, but my face is pretty more very soft. Like all the white head that was on my nose, like, did you see? Everything is gone. So guys, I will see you all on my next video. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. If you have tried it before, let me know in the comment section. I will see you all on my next video. Bye. Peace out. Love you.